Nexa Saima, Best Film in Kannada. And the nominees are Achar and Co. Best Debutant Director, Kannada. And the nominees are Sindhu Srinivasamurthy for Achar and Co. Best Music Director, Kannada. And the nominees are Bindu Malini for Achar and Co. Best Actress in a Leading Role, Kannada. And the nominees are Sindhu Srinivasamurthy for Achar and Co. Best Actor in Comedy Role, Kannada. And the nominees are Anirudh Acharya for Achar and Co.
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
Best Actor in a Supporting Role, Kannada. And the nominees are Harshil Kaushik for Achar and Co.
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
ಏನು
ಸುಮಾ